came out, and also the giant spider of the log. That log is right there. Right there. Where the worms are. Yeah, where the worm hospital is. And, right there. The zombie ate the spiders. Ew. And then I never knew they do. Mr. Log needs to tell something. It was a very touching moment. It was a very